14-year-old teen girl gone missing from St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activating for 14-year-old Tia Jackson of Tucker District, St. James, who has been missing since Friday, August the 5th. She is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 152 centimeters or 5 feet tall. Reports are that Tia was last seen at her home around 10 a.m. wearing a pink dress and a black slippers. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tia Jackson is being asked to contact the Irving Police Station at 876-220-9394, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.